In this video, we will learn how to combine multiple sheets in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here three sheets with the data. I want to combine these all three sheets in one sheet. So let's start. By using the one formula, you can combine the multiple sheet in Google Sheet. Just use the query formula is equal to query tab, then use the curly bracket, then select the first sheet data. Select the full data, then enter the semicolon, then select the second sheet data without the header, then select the third sheet data, semicolon, again select this third sheet data without the header. Okay, select it, then use the curly bracket, comma, quotation, write the select word, multiple, again quotation, bracket close, and just enter. You can see here all data is combined. All three sheets data is combined in one sheet. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.